Evidence further suggests, actually reveals, that the White Army operated under the command and influence of certain leaders of the Sudan's People Liberation Movement Army in Opposition, SPLM-AIO, including Dr. Riek Machar. So based on evidence, the following charges were prepared under South Sudan laws and applicable international laws. 1, murder. This is in accordance with Section 206, Penal Code Act 2008, in particular the killing of Major General David Major, 250 SSPDF soldiers and the UN personnel. The other charge is conspiracy and common intention. This is in relation to Section 67 to 69 of the Penal Code Act, coordination with the White Army.